Hello everyone, this is Abdurreza Sadreddini. I just want very good stock for investment and I want to share with you the information I got. Some of them is a fundamental and some of them is a technical. As a fundamental, there is a three criteria I'm looking on it. Actually, four of them. The first thing I'm going to look at that is the market cap, which is the $4.875 billion, which is a good, actually is has a minimum requirement for the good stand stock. After that, I'm looking how much is the difference between the previous close and the first year trailing target estimate. It's about the $76 here and 122 here. It's almost twice. It's not exactly, but it's about the 40%. There's a potential to increase here. And if you want to actually count from here, it's about the 80% plus $76. After that, I'm looking at the volume. The volume is a little bit low, is like fair, is not very good, and is not bad. If you want to go for a couple of hundred share, it still is very good stand. After we look at the fundamental, let me to look at the technical analysis here. Based off the Elliott wave analysis, even though we don't have the start point of this chart, but I assume is actually early 2013. We had a very good rally as a wave 1 and then correction as a wave 2 and again good rally as a wave 3 and now we are on the correction wave 4. But the good point is we have to calculate and find the point of the reversal, potential reversal zone here to actually set the position for the next rally as a fifth wave. This is what we can see here as a weekly chart. I want to show you something here if you bear with me. Okay, if you remember the estimate price they had for first trailing year, it was 122 almost here. But based off the Elliott theory, there is two actually scenarios here. The first one, it goes higher than the last point of the previous rally, which is at least 142. If it's going for the wave 5, it goes upper than that. But the minimum is actually the highest point one tick above of that. So the minimum potential is $142 something, which is now about the $77, and we are expecting to go lower at least $55, between 55 to the 60. The other point I want to talk with you about, if it goes for the other scenario, the scenario I told you is actually preferred, which we actually expect to go as a fifth wave, and the alternate is to just actually complete the wave of the correction in, let's show you what I want to talk about, like this as a ABC flat. So it goes to the 122 or a little bit lower here. Let me just put it exactly what it should be. 122, yes, this is the point the company expects to increase the price. Okay, it goes from here, this point, to the actually 122 and then going to the actually going deeper to the 78%. The point is maybe you're asking why I'm expecting this actual scenario. If you are familiar with the Elliott wave, while the wave 4 and wave 1 is overlap, we have a diagonals. It doesn't matter here is a leading or ending diagonal. For leading and ending diagonal, the wave 4 mostly goes to the 78% of the retracement of the wave 3. So most likely we expected to price going down for $50. But the point is, let me go to the daily chart here. We have a very important potential area as a PRZ, potential reversal zone. We have a cluster based off the actually Fibonacci tools retracement and expansion is on 61, 62% and 138%, and again on 78% and 188% of the expansion. These two is expansion. So, and if you want to count the wave, is wave 1 and 2 and wave 3 most likely and wave 4, and here is the end of wave 5. Mostly it should be ending here or here. If for the first scenario we expecting to go here and then going up for the 140 something like here or upper. But for alternate scenario, maybe from here it's going up to complete the correction lot like what I show you here, that likes ABC. So still we have a good potential to go to the 122 which they expected. For that point we should actually break, actually the price should break the upper parallel line of the pitchfork and then make a little pullback and then going up. We will have something like this. Let me show you what we expect to have. It should the price goes down again close to here and then going up from here to almost 122 here. Still we have a very good potential to get actually this much profit here. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed, and you can subscribe. I will put another videos, and every other day or every other 2 days I will upload some good signal related to the good stock, with the standard stock. Thank you. Enjoy your rest of the day. Bye bye.